If you're looking for the best distance irons, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Callaway Maverick Pro Iron Set. At the top of our list for the best golf irons for distance is the Callaway Golf 2020 Maverick Pro Iron Set. This is a very high-performing new release from Callaway that allows a golfer the perfect mix of performance and workability. The Maverick Pro comes with the 360 Face Cup technology. This is the same technology that is on the Maverick Standard, which are the game improvement irons. There is plenty of ball speed to help propel this ball off the club face. The Maverick Pro features a tungsten-infused weight to help place the center of gravity in a position that will keep the ball speed, improve launch but still allow for a great feel. The urethane microspheres that Callaway has been using in their irons have been incorporated to help with unwanted vibration. The last few releases from Callaway have included a golf club that is designed to help the players who have a handicap of 12 or less. If this describes you, and you want to start working the ball a bit more, the Maverick Pro irons are a great choice. Moving on to the next at number 2 with TaylorMade 790 Iron Set. We love the 790 set of irons for several reasons. These irons have been around for a few years now, but they keep improving and keep offering new benefits. The TaylorMade 790 irons can be great for a mid-handicapper down to a scratch golfer. The TaylorMade 790 is a hollow body iron with a very thin face. The thin face helps the ball jump off the club face and head straight down the fairway. Even though this iron is a hollow construction, it is filled with the revolutionary Speed Foam from TaylorMade. The Speed Foam is a very lightweight material injected into the club, and that helps to provide a better feel. The 790 is a little larger as far as the club head is concerned than some other players' irons on the market. If you are unsure whether or not your game is ready for a player-type iron, this is a great club to start out with. The number 3 position is held by TaylorMade M5 Iron Set. Since the M5 is not the latest release, you can now pick them up at a great price. The M5 irons are some of the best distance irons on the market. They have the revolutionary Speed Bridge and Speed Pocket technology that makes the golf ball feel as though it will launch off the face. If you happen to see the M6 irons that TaylorMade released at the same time, you know that they made a model for the higher handicapper and the lower handicapper. These M5 are slightly thinner and have more of a forged look and feel than the M6. Generally speaking, lower handicap players want a club head that looks a little sleeker. The M5 came with a high-bar compression damper. This will eliminate almost all vibration at impact, and it has a much better look, sound, and performance than other game improvement type irons on the market. Next at number 4 we have Cobra King Forged CB/MB Iron Set. Anybody considered a player is probably a golfer that has a lower handicap. However, a 10 handicap and a 2 handicap are still two different things. The Forged CB/MB Iron Set is a great choice for the low handicapper that needs distance but wants a thin player's look. The Cobra King Forge goes through a 5-step forging process that gives them a much better feel than other options. We love the black finish on the Cobra, produced with the diamondized black metal. The finish stays looking good much longer than some other iron choices. Part of what makes the feel so good on the Cobra irons is the CNC milled face and grooves. You will get all the spin you need from this set and the ability to launch the ball. Of course, this is a progressive combo set so that the long irons will be a bit more forgiving than the short irons. With these short irons in your hands, you can really start scoring the way you want to. The number 5 position is held by Callaway Apex Smoke Iron Set. When it comes to golf equipment, it is sometimes easier to be a high handicapper or a low handicapper than it is, so be a middle handicapper. The reason is that you can get caught between several different types of clubs that you could play with. We love the Apex Smoke Iron Set for those golfers that know they need distance, a little bit of a forgiving club face, but they care about the look, feel, and aesthetics. The Apex 19 Smoke has a smoke PVD finish that helps with reducing glare. The Apex is made with a forged 1020 5-mile carbon steel body. Somehow Callaway was also able to their urethane microsphere technology to fit inside this forged iron. The Apex comes in a Pro version that is more of a blade type iron. However, if you want distance, the Apex 19 Smoke is the best choice. The number 6 position is dominated by Callaway 2021 Apex Pro Iron Set. The Callaway Golf 2021 Apex Pro iron set is a brand new release to the market. Callaway is learning how to make their players' irons even more appealing. We love the new shaping and design of these Apex irons and the impressive quality they can bring to your game. As you may already know, the Callaway Golf brand is big into the artificial intelligence. They use the AI to make sure that the construction of the iron is optimal for speed and performance. The new Forge 1025 hollow body construction is built to help get golfers distance and plenty of club head speed while maintaining a superior feel. These clubs are made for the lowest handicap players that want to get lots of distance but also need to work the ball. Inside the club head's hollow body, there will be urethane microspheres that help give players improved sound and feel at the impact position. The tungsten energy core is how Callaway gives players this extra distance. Through the years, tungsten has been discovered to be one of the better distance-producing materials on the market. These irons feature 90 grams per iron. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Cobra King Forge Tech 1-length iron set. The Forge Tech irons are Cobra's response to the 790 irons. When you look at these clubs, you will see that classic muscle back shape. But they do have a hollow core. The center of gravity can be located quite low, and you get plenty of extra launch and great ball flight. The fact that these are a 1-length iron set helps us like them even more. When players can focus on their swing mechanics, and the setup and stance can be the same from one iron to the next, the game gets simpler. When golf gets simpler, it is easy to score. The Forge Tech 1-length is a very clean-looking set of clubs that will keep players from a wide range of handicaps happy with their look. Of course, we also love the ability to track your stats using the Cobra Connect technology. This is a high-tech and high-performing set of irons that will make long distance easy to achieve. The number 8 position is held by Callaway Maverick irons. At address, there is hardly any really difference between this iron and the standard Maverick. With just a slightly rounder head and a touch more offset, there isn't much difference to tell with the top line whatsoever. One downside which I experienced throughout the whole Maverick range was that, whilst the shiny chrome heads did look great to begin with, they did start to mark up a little after just one day of having them in the bag. Not what you'd want to see shortly after spending up to $1,000 on these irons depending on your shaft choice and set makeup. Once you start hitting the Maverick Max iron, you start to get more of the typical game improvement sound that you'd expect from an iron of this size. The ball also seemed to come off the face a little more spinny for want of a more technical term. And I think this actually hampered forgiveness a little. You'd think that this bigger head size would be much more easy to hit, but this spinny feeling made it seem that the mishits may end up floating a little, and you'd be potentially punished more. I just felt they were harder to control. I knew pretty quickly that these irons weren't really for me, and this showed by looking at my dispersion during range testing. The first 2 shots at the range went way left. The offset had me fighting the overdraws, and so I ended up overcompensating and consistently missing right, so I can only imagine that these clubs would only really suit golfers who really struggle with slicing/overfading the ball. Looks-wise, there is nothing in it, and performance-wise, the Maverick gives you so much more. It is long, forgiving, and really easy to launch basically everything you'd want from a game improvement iron. There's no need for the Max in my opinion. If you are a golfer who wants to hit an 8 iron when everyone else hits a 7, then this Maverick is for you. The best thing is the sound is so good and the flight high that nobody will say, but it flies like a 7 iron. Plus, the forgiveness is more than good enough that you don't need to go for the bigger head. Next at number 9, we have TaylorMade SIM Max irons. These SIM Max irons are a great option to consider. With the improved speed pocket and echo damping, the SIM Max have a Forge-like feel. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Cobra Golf 2020 Speed Zone 1-length iron set. The Cobra Speed Zone 1-length irons are built with a carbon top line to make them lighter and more forgiving. The 1-length option makes the set more consistent and easy to set up each time. Cobra also does a great job when it comes to feel on a set of irons. That's all for today. We upload sports product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.